Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the second video of HTML CSS complete course. So in this video we're going to talk about the statements, comments and variables. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of my new video when I upload it. Alright, so let's get started. A computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by a computer. In a programming language, these programming instructions are called statements. A JavaScript program is a list of programming statements. The JavaScript statements are composed of value, operators, exceptions, keywords, and comments. Most JavaScript programs contain many JavaScript statements. You can separate these statements from each other by adding the semicolons at the end of the statement. And also the JavaScript ignores multiple white spaces. You can add white spaces to your JavaScript to make it more readable. The next we are going to talk about the comments. The comments can be used to explain JavaScript code and to make it more readable. JavaScript comments can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. By adding the comment into your code, you can just press Ctrl and /. Here you can see you can change the code into a comment, and you can also remove this by the same thing, Ctrl /. Comments are a short information about your code. So let me add a comment here. These variables are created for storing some numbers, like this. The comments are used to add short information about the source of code that you have created. And you can also have the multiple lines comments. For this you can add /, /, and /. Between these two stars you can pass your comments here, like this is a multiple, like this, whatever you type. So the multiple comments are used for multiple lines, or you can pass the multiple lines comments into your JavaScript code. And any text between /, and /, and / will be ignored by the JavaScript. And you can also use the comments to prevent execution of a code is suitable for code testing. If you don't want to alert the result, you can just easily pass the comment here. Change this into a comment. So it will not alert here. So when I save this and when I refresh, see, nothing will happen. And when I remove the comment, when I remove the comment and save, it will pop up an alert. And the next we have variables. So there are 4 types of variables to declare in a JavaScript. The first one is var, let, const, and nothing. Now let me tell you that before jumping over to the var, let, const, we should know what are the variables. The variables are containers for storing data, to store data values. For example, x, y, and z are the variables. Easily just declare this by keyword var. They both are declared by the var. And you can also declare the variable by keyword. Let me comment this. You can also declare them by keyword let. Let y will be 10 and let z will be equal to x plus y. You can see when we want to print this, alert z. and let's save this. Let's refresh the page and let's see the result of this. So you can also use nothing for declaring. Let me remove, or let me add the comment here, and let's use x is equal to 5, y is equal to 15, and z is equal to x plus y. And let's use alert again, and let's save this, and let's check whether it works or not. See, it works properly. So let me tell you that always declare the JavaScript variables with a var, let, or const. The var keyword is used in JavaScript code from 1995 to 2015, and the let and the const keyword were added to JavaScript in 2015. So if you want your code to run in older browser, you must use this var keyword for declaring a variable. And the last one that we have is the const. So the const value is a little bit tricky. If you declare once, you cannot change it again. So for now, let me show you here. If we say z is equal to like 30, and when I save this, when I refresh the page, see, it will show 30. It means that once we declare a variable, we can change it again and many times more. And the same we can do with a let. Let me uncomment this and let me show you. And we can say, no, don't need z is equal to 50, and when I save this, see, it will pop up 50. And the same we can do with the var. Let's say z is equal to 100, and when I save this, it will pop up 100. But the const value is a little bit tricky. Once you declare the variable, you cannot change it again. Let me show you. So const x is equal to 10, const y is equal to 10, and const z is equal to x plus y. And let's pop up an alert, const z. Now let's save this and let's refresh the page. So it will pop up that x plus y is equal to 20. And now let's, if we want to change the value of z, let's say z is equal to 50. Let's see what it. When we refresh the page, nothing will happen. But when we right click, come to the inspect and come to the console, it will pop up a message that uncatch type error, assignment to constant variable. When we click on the index.html here, it will show us that this is the variable, because we are using here the const declaration. So the const value cannot be changed once you declare it. So hope you understand until this point. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, then don't forget to subscribe.